together. The find the votes, the fact that Brad Raffensperger says, but there is no fraud. We've checked. There's nothing there. And then you have the then sitting president of the United States, not very subtly, saying, you know, it would be terrible if you found yourself at the other end of an indictment because of what you're doing. Now, Brad Raffensperger wasn't committing any crime at all. I mean, even if you thought he was wrong, it is not a crime to be wrong. So the idea that he was threatened with criminal prosecution by the president of the United States, I think that is one that, because there will be obviously some additional evidence, I think that goes a really long way with a jury. That is not normal behavior, even if you thought that you had won the election. That is not how you behave, and it goes a long way to understanding this was a way of extorting a state officer to not do his duty.
Yeah, well, and as both of you have pointed out, Michael, you just mentioned that solicitation doesn't mean that the other person has to carry through with the request, right? I mean, because when we're talking about the solicitation to destroy ballots, I can only assume that is when, again, President Trump calls Georgia officials and asks them to conduct signature verification going back 2 years, which is a much longer window than they are supposed to.